Hello, Yarn Besties. I am at the FA Seiberling Nature Realm, so come with me on this adventure. Let's go. Okay, so I'm walking down the path that goes by the Rock and Herb Garden, and the Rock and Herb Garden is is the big attraction here at the FA Seiberling Nature Realm, and have a lot of plants and herbs and flowers for everyone to see, and they have there's the gnome garden. Alright, and there's a big piece of quartzite and some more herbs they're showcasing. More plants. And there is the cute little steps that go up to the next level, and there is some bronze fennel there going up the steps. Some more flowers. And we're coming upon the entrance to the pergola. I think this looks really nice, the way they have the vines hanging there. And there's another stone path edged with herbs and plants and some shrubs. Alright, so we're coming upon the other pergola that's on the exit, so to speak. And this little trail leads up to a neat little sundial that they have there. Then you see some bumblebees at work pollinating these pretty purple flowers. And here is another pond that has some lily pads, and they have a water feature there. And I stopped by because water and nature are pretty going hand in hand. It's pretty meditative. And you see some grass blowing in the wind. See some white lotuses in the water, and there were some pink ones. There was a couple pink ones on the other side. Alright, and this trail leads to the suspension bridge that is on the Cherry Trail, and the Cherry Trail is a rather easy path. It's only about 0.6 miles, so if you are looking for a short little path to walk upon, this would be it, and it's easy it's easy. Alright, so here's the entrance to the bridge. So, as a word of warning, if any of you watching this have a fear of bridges or crossing bridges, now would be the time to either look away or fast forward. Alright, so I'm walking across the bridge, and there comes a point to where I showcase the height of the bridge. So again, if you have a fear of heights, I would skip this part. That's on one side, and there's the other side. That's pretty high. I would say at least about 50 feet or so off from there. Alright, so coming to the end of the bridge, and this is a very fun bridge to walk over. Almost there. Alright, so it looks like I safely crossed the bridge. I did it, folks.